How to fix iPhone brightness dimming issue. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is your phone's brightness dimming even when it's set to max? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue on iOS 18 step by step. So let's get started. First, let's check auto brightness. This feature adjusts your screen brightness based on ambient light, but it can sometimes feel unresponsive. To turn it off, go to settings, then tap on accessibility and tap display and text size and scroll down to toggle off auto brightness. Is your screen still dimming? It might be the true tone feature. While it helps with color accuracy, it can lower brightness in certain lighting conditions. For that, head to settings, then tap on display and brightness and turn off true tone to see if that makes a difference. Another common culprit is overheating. If your iPhone gets too hot, it will automatically dim to protect the hardware. Avoid using your phone in direct sunlight or while charging for long gaming or video sessions. Additionally, here are a few other things to check. Low power mode. To disable it, go to settings and tap on battery and turn it off. Next, night shift. To turn off, go to settings, tap on display and brightness and turn off the night shift mode. Next, screen protector. Ensure it's not affecting touch sensitivity or brightness of your screen. If none of this fixes the issue, it could be a software bug. Make sure you are on the latest version of iOS 18 by going to settings and tap on general and tap on software update, and if there is, update your software. And that's it. Your iPhone's brightness should now stay consistent. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.